Hi, this is Kylie, and here is my Enhancement 5. I'll go here to Products Index. And first of all, I'll just start by validating the HTML. No errors. Okay. And now for adding a new category. So for the client-side validation, doesn't let me. Now here, if I see, hold on one sec. Okay. If I do no validate, still doesn't let me from the client side. So enter it, and there it shows up. Okay. Now adding a new product, I'm just going to leave it blank. And there we get some errors popping up. So I'm just going to partly fill this out. Okay, and all of these, as you can see, remain sticky. But I still got the error. Now I'm going to do the no validate. It doesn't let me, I get the error. And again, these remain sticky. So I will finish filling this out. And, oh, I didn't put that in the first time. There we go. Test added successfully. I'll check this HTML. No errors. And let's check this HTML. No errors. Okay. I think that is about it. So thanks so much for watching.